Euro Kiwi. Okay, let's check this out. I'm waiting for a trade on this actually. It's in anticipation. I want it to break this level here, right around 182.41. But yeah, breaking this all down, let's see. So this was obviously very bullish. Was waiting for it to change directions, and finally I think it kind of has. You see this bearish structure setting in, broke this area here, came down, is now retesting this area. So that's why I'm looking for a short position relatively soon here. So we can delete this for now. We don't need this zone. Our monthly ranges are irrelevant because it's overshot already, and so but price is still above this 4-hour moving average. So you still really got to be hesitant, or not hesitant, but mindful that, I mean, it's not really bearish yet. Like, we got one bearish section here, but that's it. You throw a fib on here, you can see that price is hitting this 38.2 zone, but there's a chance that it pushes up even a bit past this zone, back up to 183, like 10, just to really hit that 50%. But so yeah, this is my main area that I'm looking at right now. I'm looking for this to break lower and target the bottom of this zone here. It is getting close to the end of the month. I mean, today's Friday, and then we only have 4 more trading days next week. So I don't really know how much further this is going to go downwards to end the month, but going down on these smaller time frames here, I got a super zone here. So basically, all these rectangles here are just different time frames broken up. So like, this is the 15-minute. You can see where all these wicks are held, and then the 30 holds a bunch of wicks, and the 1 hour holds a bunch of wicks. So you can see price is pushing up now as we speak. It has been holding right here. I'm looking for it to break this level and then enter this short position once it does. So I got my alert set here. This one I'm actually going to delete because I don't really need it. I don't want to short it from the top here because that gets iffy. Yes, you get a really good risk to reward because you get it at the maximum price, but at the same time, if you're shorting it up here, all it has to do is push through this zone, and then there you go. Like, you get stopped out, and because you're taking a trade, you're taking a short position when there's literally bullish momentum in the market. Like, the bullish momentum is what pushed price to the price you wanted, but it can also push it past the price. So I'm waiting for the momentum to die off, and then I'll sell it on the way down. But yeah, I do think Euro Kiwi here is changing directions. I think most of the Euro pairs are. So I think next month we'll be looking for some more shorts in this. You can see, depending on how today closes, if today closes lower, it's going to fill this wick here, and then you're going to end up with a nice bearish engulfing candle to end the week. So that's a good sign if this starts to sell off today. So you can actually see on the 1 hour already, or sorry, on the daily, it's testing this zone. It's pulled back already. So yeah, we're just going to see on these lower time frames. We're going to watch this closely and just see how this plays out. I'm going to take a trade on this. If you guys want to follow along directly, you can join my private WhatsApp group, and I'll keep you posted on this instantly. You can ask me any questions regarding anything too. So it's great to be in that group if you need more information or you want to learn more about entries and exits or anything like that. I'm super active in it. You can ask me. It's on 24/7, so it goes right to my phone. So if you want to message me, a little quicker to answer on that. But yeah, so that's Euro Kiwi. It's below the 1 hour moving average, so just waiting for it to cross over this 4 hours. So it's gonna take a few days for sure, probably the rest of the month, to really catch up here. There's only 6 4-hour candles per day, so we only have 4 more trading days after today for the month. So we'll see how this finishes up. But if it finishes low, then that's a nice bearish engulfing candle on the week, and that's gonna show us that it probably wants to keep heading lower. So I like that. So that is my take on Euro Kiwi. I want it to stay below this 1 hour moving average for sure. I want it to break this area here and look for a nice short when it does. So that's Euro Kiwi.